How to clear app cache and data on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to clear app cache and data on Android. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the settings, then what you can do is simply scroll down and tap on apps. And now from here, just tap on manage apps, and now here on the next page, you'll see the list of all the apps that are installed on your device. Now from here, what you can do is simply scroll and select the app that you want to clear. Let's say I want to clear the cache and the data of the CapCut. Let's say I'm going to tap on it. And now here, once you're inside the app settings, then at the bottom right, you'll see the clear data option. Now here, what you have to do is simply tap on it, and from the pop-up menu, just tap on clear cache and confirm it by tapping on OK. And once you do that, it will remove temporary files without affecting the app data. Now here, let's say if you want to clear data, then what you have to do is just tap on clear all data option again, and after that, you can confirm it by tapping on OK. But let me warn you that if you do it, this will reset the app, through which you may need to log in again, and settings and app progress may be lost as well. And that's it. That's how you can clear app cache and data on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.